Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make split pea soup with ham full guide. Begin by rinsing and sorting 2 cups of split peas, then chop onion, carrot, and celery. Sauté the aromatics until soft, add the peas and a ham bone or 2 cups diced ham, and cover with 6 cups of stock. Simmer gently for about 1 hour, mash some peas for creaminess, and season to taste before serving. Start with low heat and soft aromatics, then add peas and liquid and bring to a gentle simmer. Skim foam, cover partially and cook until peas break down, about 1 hour. Remove the ham bone, shred meat back into the pot, and adjust thickness with more stock or water. Finish with salt, pepper, and a splash of vinegar or mustard for brightness before serving. Serve with crusty bread and garnish with parsley for color and freshness. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying this recipe, please subscribe and like for more cooking tips. On another note, these leak-proof meal prep containers keep split pea soup sealed and make portioning a breeze, especially when you pack lunches or freeze batches. They save time and prevent messes during travel. They are dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. To make a creamier soup, partially blend or mash 1/4 of the pot, or use an immersion blender sparingly. For vegetarian option, omit ham and add smoked paprika or liquid smoke for depth. You can add diced potatoes or split yellow peas for texture variation. Adjust cooking time accordingly and taste for seasoning through the process. Finish with chopped herbs and a squeeze of lemon for brightness, and store leftovers in the fridge for up to 4 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.